Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. Today we're going to do a traditional Puerto Rican dish that you'll find in every restaurant that you go to in the island if you go for vacation. Today we're doing mofongo with carne frita, which is fried pork. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to need green plantains. What you want to do is you want to cut the corners off, and then you want to make that slip right down the middle so you can remove the peel. Now you want to remove the peel. Just stick your finger around it. Now you want to cut it to about 1 inch circles. Now that we finished cutting our green plantains, we're going to place this aside and we're going to start cutting our dry salted pork. This will give our mofongo a nice bite when we put it all together. Now that we have our dry salted pork fully cut, we're going to place this aside and start seasoning our pork. We have 1.5 teaspoons of sazon, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Turn the stove to medium high and let's start frying this seasoned pork. Let's now fry our dry salted pork. Fry your plantains until golden brown. Alright, now that you have your green plantains fully fried and your dry pork fully fried, time for the best part, the assembly. So we're going to take our pilon, we're going to take a couple cloves of garlic, I'm going to go ahead and put that into our pilon, a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to smash it. It's always my favorite part. Now we take our green plantains and we smash and we smash and we smash and we smash and we, well, you get the point. We want to create a divot so we can put our dry non-salted pork that we fried and continue mashing. You want to get a small bowl to create the half dome to plate your mofongo. There you have it, folks. Mofongo with carne frita. Let's give it a shot. Moment of truth. See you on the next one.